Hi, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. This is Javed Zulkar. We are going to start our mathematics series, a new book that is in front of you. So this book, the new chapter, which is not present in the previous book, chapter 6, exercise 6.6, the very important topic regarding your exam, that is bearing. So the students are so concerned about this topic. I think the students are feeling difficulty. Some students don't want to do so, but this is very interesting and important chapter. So I just request to all the students that must do this chapter. Okay, don't uh, skip this chapter. This is very important. Okay, so this is not difficult chapter as you think that. So let's start to learn something about that. Okay, first of all, we are going to discussing about bearing. So when someone asks about bearing, so first of all, what comes in our mind, that what is bearing? So it's a so I write new because it's something new. So bearing is not a difficult that someone can think that it is difficult or somewhat that. Bearing basically, uh, it's a use of direction. First of all, we see the properties and then we will solve the exercise, each and every question one by one. So let's see here. The first thing, bearing in mathematics. Definition: a bearing is an angle measured clockwise from north, used to specify direction. Student, have you listened about when you just open Google Map? So what the women say that head north. Say she say like that. So if you are on a you are going on a way and someone said to you turn 30-degree, how you will think that how can I turn 30-degree? So you have to think, but there is a universal rule. First of all, you will move toward, you will just look toward north. Okay, on your direction should be toward north, and then you will turn from 30-degree. Okay, so this is a universal rule. So from north, and this must be clockwise. These two things should be in your mind. A bearing is an angle measured clockwise from north, used to specify direction. Okay, so I think so these all definition I made from your book. The important points, if you learn these, all the things you will understand. So what are the rules? The rules will helpful in solving the question collectively if you learn. So measured clockwise. I try my best to make easy. So bearing are measured from north direction, rotating clockwise. The first rule, keep it in your mind, my dear students. Bearing are measured from the north direction, rotating clockwise. And the second, three-digit notation. In bearing, always three digits notation. Bearing are often written as three-digit number. For example, if you have angle 60, angle 30, angle 20, so you will write first 0 and then if you have angle 20, then write degree like that. So in this, I think you understand all the thing in a simple way that I wrote. I think you understand this. So let us move toward the next. uh, Properties. There are some properties also. So in first, direction and the other, angle measurement. So what is direction? Bearing specify direction between 2 points. Okay, keep it in your mind. This can come in MCQs. Okay, so for MCQs these things are important. Okay, so bearing measure angle in degrees. This you should know. You know, in trigonometry there are also radians. Yes, there are also stradians. There is also degree. Okay, but here in only we will just discuss about degrees. So these two things. So I hope you understand this. So let's move to next. uh, some examples I write to finish this. A bearing of 120 means the direction is 120 degree clockwise from north. Okay, if someone say 120, so it means that the angle, how you will measure, from where you will stand and then measure 120 degree, it's only you have to just head north, okay, and then you will turn 120, then you will find your specify angle. So this is the universal law, universal rule, okay. As the ship move in the ocean, the big ocean, they don't know where they are going. So just if someone say to move toward 20 degree, now turn 20 degree, 40 degree, so just first of all they will see from north and towards north 30 degree from north, okay. So additional properties of bearing, this can become in MCQs. So just if you will read one time, you will learn all. So range, bearing are typically measured from 0 degree and 360 degree, in between we can measure. Bearing can be written as with this notation. This is the notation, okay. This is the degree notation, and through inverted commas are there. So symbol AG. So 0, 45. Okay. If there is 60, then we will write 0, 60 like that. Okay. So next, navigation. Bearing are used in navigation. I already told that uh, surveying and mapping, okay. So these are easy. In mapping we oftenly use in your all everyone mobile has, we are using navigation and mapping. Okay, let's move next. Relative bearing can be calculated relative to a specific direction or object, okay. So this, so the next, the last thing that about the additional properties. So I hope you understand about the introduction of bearing. So in the next lecture, I will solve one by one each and every question. So I just advise to all the students, please revise this and learn. If you just see 2 or 3 times this lecture, you will learn all. Then we will see in the next the whole exercise. The next video you will find. So then that, take care.